with drones being used along the entire front line and multiple kilometers past and behind, making most airspace seeing drones back and forth, making drone attack to ground equipment, drone targeting drones, airplanes targeting drones, and more commonly drones attacking airplanes. While this Russian Su-25 was near colliding with a Ukrainian drone, it's not necessarily would result in a crash depending on the size of the Ukrainian drone and how they would collide, but it shows that not only the ground but the air is getting more crowded with equipment, large and small, filling different functions. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.